What's up, duty heads?
What's up? This is Dan.
And Skylar.
And we are coming to you from Greenville, South Carolina. I know we're rocking Florida wildlife, but we're not there this week. It's Christmas week. So we are going to a place called Swamp Rabbit Trail, where we'll be going through Greenville and wherever else it takes. And we'll be using our e-bikes to go through. We're not doing any wildlife really this week, but we're going to show you how awesome these e-bikes are. So stay tuned.
Bye.
See ya. Peace.
Preview.
That's my daughter. There's Pops. Say hi, Pops.
Hey, hi there. Welcome to
decided-
Greenville.
He decided to come with us today.
Swamp Rabbit Trail.
It's pretty awesome so far.
So far.
And Skylar's doing some kind of dance there, you can see. That's the pop-up dance.
No, that's this one.
Do the pop-up dance.
What is up, duty heads? Today we had lots of fun.
Yep. What did we do? Well, we went to...
The rabbit hole thingy.
No. Yeah, well, it's rabbit.
Oh,
But it's, what was it called?
the rabbit trail thingy.
Swamp Rabbit Trail. It was pretty good here in Greenville. We were out pretty much most of the day. My dad came with us. We had a good time. And I highly recommend that trail. There was a lot of people there, but probably during a normal day, it'll probably be okay. So definitely a thumbs up. How about you, Sky? Do you like it?
Definitely bring during the winter lots of
Clothes,
jackets.
warm clothes.
Yeah, because it's like freezing.
It was cold today, but we had a good time.
And chapstick.
Yes. And there's a coffee place on the way, on the trail itself, which is pretty awesome. So you need to check that out too. So, pretty good day.
And we went to Tipsy Taco.
And we went to Tipsy Taco. Can't forget
pretty
that. So, alright, we're gonna get going. See ya. Peace out.
Bye.